And then what you do is you use your hands to protect your crotch from the frame.
Use your hands to protect your crotch.
So you hold on to there with your hands. Go on, lift that foot and put it through there.
Nothing to be worried about.
Holy! Oh, hang on. I'll be a little bit too far in the back.
You picked a big guy. Uh-oh.
What's the front tyre look like?
Flat.
Whoa! Too close!
What did you have for breakfast? Can I ask you that?
Beans.
Not beans. This is what you guys eat. Or Lars, he had beans.
You need to
Oh, this is uncomfy.
Right, you need to bring your left foot up.
Got the metal bar in between.
And you need to bring you. So go on, roll back, roll back, roll back, roll back, roll back. Right. So bit back further. Yeah. Now we go on the traditional tandem route of 3, 2, 1, go. Yes.
Okay.
I expect you to keep your knees together.
Yes.
And you go 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa!
Pedal. Pedal.
This is so strange.
What a sight. Look at this.